All right, now we get to what? Inter VLAN configuration. All right, we're going to make all the VLANs talk, in this case 10 and 20. All right, using only one router, not on router, but one router to communicate with all VLANs. The encapsulation type will be 8021Q. That is the newest type of encapsulation. All right, not ISL, which is, here's another acronym for you, Inter Switch Link. All right, it's not like you can go and Google it, but I'll tell you, Inter Switch Link, another type of encapsulation. We don't use it. All right, and it's cost effective. You don't have to buy 1,000 interfaces, NIC cards, ports, whatever, okay, for you to put on your routers to be able to do this. All right, so we got router on a stick, because most definitely that's what you'll be tested on. I guarantee it. Okay, all right, so let's go to our lab now. Through the magic, all right, of movies and editing and just being me, all right, VLAN 20 is already configured. Where is it? Right here. All right, so that right there, these guys are already part of VLAN 20. Okay, so all we got to do is configure the router for inter VLAN connectivity, and hopefully we can get communication going across. Okay. So config T, interface F0/0. I'm pretty sure that's the interface because that's the one I always like to use. Yes. All right, I'm gonna put this a little bit more on here. All right, so with the physical interface, all you do is do a no shut. You're gonna create sub interfaces. So I'm gonna go up and go .10. Recommended that your sub interface, the number, use the number of the VLAN. It's not required, just a recommendation, just like naming the VLANs. Give it the number of the VLAN. Okay. Now the next is that you need to give it an encapsulation type. So encap .1Q. This must match the VLAN ID number. You must put the VLAN ID number there so it can match. Or if not, you're going to have issues. And now we put the default gateway. IP address 172.31.20.62, right? It was 32, 64, 63 is the broadcast, 62, yes. 255, 255, 255, 224. That is the DDN, dotted decimal numbering. All right. And now we got to do the same thing for the 20. We're going to up arrow F0.20. Okay. Encap 20. And then gateway. You see I'm up arrowing through this. Why am I going to write this whole thing all over again? This is going to be 62, 32, 64, 96, 95 is the broadcast. One less is 94. That's my gateway. Whoa. 94. You see how simple it is to subnet like that? I'm telling you, that's how you got to do it. Hit enter. Do WR. I'm going to do a Control Z. This is what I like to do. Show start. And there's all my stuff I configured there. And I want to look at this. Here's my F00. There's no IP address on there, but it's on. And there's no shut on it. Then 10, 10, good. And this 2062, that should be 1062. This is why I look at that. You see? That could have been a mistake right there. So I'm going to go inside that interface, F0/0.10. And I'm just going to say IP address. That's why you got to verify. 172.31.10.62. It's the 10 network. 255.255.255.224. It's not that it's the 10 network, but you know what I mean. All right, do WR. Let's check it again. Control Z. Get rid of all that gibberish. Show start. Enter. Let's hit the space bar. Get there quicker. Here we go. Now I'm happy. 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20. Okay, let's take a look at our show IP route, which is our routing table. And it says that we're connected We're connected to these two networks. So let's cross our fingers. Let's go to PC1 over here. All right, and I'm going to ping this PC over here. All right, so if we do an IP config, we see that we have our subnet mask and our gateway, everything's configured. So let's ping our gateway first, 172.31.20. Look, got the wrong gateway. You see, I'm telling you, you gotta verify all the time. Because 9 out of 10 times, believe me, in an actual network, IPs are what the issues are. So let's ping our gateway, ping 172.31.20.94. And listen, be happy that you get errors because that way you know what you're doing to fix it and you write it down. Okay, so that's good. So now we have connectivity to our gateway. Let's see if we can ping now. Ping 172.31.10.33. That should be the PC on the other side, PC 0. And let's see what happens. Request timeout. There's your up, and we got a reply. We have inter-VLAN connectivity. Perfect. That's what we want to happen. Now, one thing that I believe I did not demonstrate. Let me go back into the router. Let's do a show start real quick here. Yeah, I got SSH. All right, so let's SSH into the router. Okay, you use the command prompt for that. All right, so we go SSH minus L, which is list, and I believe is it my name minus L? I'm gonna put the IP address 192.168, not 192. That number in my brain, Jesus, 172.31.20.94. And then we go in there and we put LDS, I believe, or is it LDS? Let's see. No, that's not gonna work. Control C. Up arrow. So it's minus L, username. I always get this backwards. LDS 172.31.20.94. There we go. So I always get it backwards. And now we put in our password, Cisco. And now welcome. We're in router 1. All right. So this is SSHing, and this is SSHing. That's pretty cool. SSHing from the command prompt of our PC into our router. Okay. And that's all there is to that. Okay. No big deal. Very simple, right? All right. I will see you in the next.